Welcome to this glorified tutorial on how to download transparent images. Transparent images is a great way to drop these images seamlessly on other designs or your website or landing page so that the background can show through the image. Let's go ahead and show you how. Simply go to the top download button and in the file type dropdown, go ahead and choose transparent PNG. Now you may notice that the background color is set to white, but this doesn't matter. Once you click download, you'll have a perfect transparent image ready to be used. Even if you change the background color to anything else and still download with a transparent PNG, the background will appear as transparent. The only way for you to see the actual background color is to use the normal PNG download option. As you can see now, the background shows. As you can see, this technique is super valuable to add images in other places where you need them. That's it for this tutorial. Stay glorious.